Well, what's happening? Day 3. We're in day 3. I'll tell you what, I'm not seeing a difference, but it's only day 3, right? Yeah, it's usually where I give up. Look at this. I'm gonna do those things. I'm not gonna give up on what we're doing, but I think I need to. I don't know where they're at. They're one of the doors. Anyway, alright, let's get started. Turn that down. But yeah, I get, I give up, don't I? But this, the bags, the waffles are looking a little intense. Alright. Get the water. Good stuff. My goodness. I'm gonna have to use that spoon. I don't know. Under your eye bags. And I don't know how many of you are going back to work on Monday, but it's gonna be hellacious to get up. It's gonna be brutal. Oh, I have to get them all up. Always husband, myself, make the lunches. Oh, good. Okay. There we go. I'm getting used to this, okay? I'm getting used to it. Somewhat. I can't tell. I can't tell. It's, since it's dark, I don't know, I can't tell. So, I have used it in the morning, in all fairness, and then I have recorded. But it's easy enough for me to do in the morning. I'll tell you what I didn't do in the morning though, was because I can feel it all day. I can feel it all day. So, wait, I'm getting close. I'm gonna have to figure out how to cut these videos. Put them on the Gram, Facebook, and but they seem to upload pretty well on YouTube. Feels good. But so I think I don't think I'm giving up too soon on that little tool. But I think it's okay to use it once. But why not at night? While I'm sleeping, and that stuff can ooze in uninterrupted. Okay. Okay. Favorite. It's just I don't know. I don't know what it is. I look forward to it. I look forward to it. And I'll tell you why, because it feels, even if I didn't have those teeny little holes, microneedling or whatever, it just feels good. So, oh, alright, let's go. Funny face. Good stuff. trim that. I promise one of these days I'll have makeup on and we'll do some picking of stuff. Because I have some of that. Of course I do. I have that. Oh, Henry will be me. It'll be fun to get to use all that. Then I'll look like her. Cindy Crawford. Okay. Alright, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna brush my teeth now. And wait till we start with that cleaning because people, I have a purple color corrector. And just so you know, it cleans brighter teeth in 15 seconds. Brighter teeth in 15 seconds. Purple, bright white teeth. Purple, bright white teeth. I love Instagram. I don't buy anything from there. Alright. That's it, folks. Have a good night.